Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to actually earn $111 for 100% free without doing anything, guys. Yes, you heard me right. $111 without doing anything. You are going to claim it as a bonus, and you are going to use this bonus to earn real cash. Like, this is not like a demo. Like, you want to do a demo account and then end of the day you can't withdraw. Okay, so for those of you that are crypto lover, guys, so this video is going to show you how you can able to earn $111, which you are going to use to trade within the next 6 days and make profit from it. And remember, guys, this profit can be withdrawn. Okay, so it's not something that maybe you earn this profit, you can't withdraw it. No, you can withdraw this profit you're going to make with this particular method I'm going to teach you guys today. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe, because I'm going to give you value on your data, right? Like the time you spend on social media, spend on watching my video, I'll try my best to make sure that it's valuable to you. And if you're watching this video and if you find this video helpful, please do wait to smash the like button so the algorithm will recommend this video to other people that are actually looking for ways to make money just like you. So what we're going to do right now is to dive into this tutorial, right? Without talking much, right? So, the link of the platform is going to be in the video description, guys. So, but before we move to the link of this platform, I'm going to tell you a few things you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing your email address and your mobile phone or your laptop. I may be doing this phone on laptop, but believe me, this method work on phone as well, because I'm going to drop this screenshot right here. As you can see, this is the one I have created on my mobile phone, guys. So let's move on. So you are going to download a MetaTrading 5 on your mobile phone or your laptop or desktop, whatever you're using, and you're going to need email address to register, right? So now this is the platform I'm talking about, and this platform, there will be a link in the video description, right? So this, what you need to do is when you come to this platform here, you just need to sign up. Okay, you need to sign up. So please follow my step so you can be able to receive this bonus. Without that, you are not going to get this bonus, and then you say the video did not work for you and you continue criticizing the video like it didn't work, this doesn't work. The problem is that you keep on skipping video instead of you to calm down, learn and follow each step, and then you don't do that. So please do wait to calm down and follow my step by step so you don't get any part wrong. So when you get to this particular platform here, guys, this is it. So for those of you that are using Android phone, you can download the app on Android. You can download it on iOS, but this method will not work for you with the application. I have tried it and it didn't work for me with the application. So I need to download the application, then sign up on the browser to get this done. So if you're using a mobile phone right now, just don't go ahead for downloading right now. Just sign up on the browser so you can get your bonus, right? Then download your MetaTrader 5. That is very important. And for MetaTrader 5, it works on almost all the phone, guys. Almost all the phone. Because you can get it on iOS, Play Store, Express, or like for Huawei Play Store. So if any platform, you can actually get it. For Windows, Apple, and Redness, you can actually get it. Yet you can also get the web terminal, so you can do the web version of it. So we are going to do right now to get our bonus. If you go, you can read more about the platform here. I don't want to start explaining. And then for a little disclaimer, please, this platform did not sponsor this video and I don't have any affiliate, anything with them. So I only come across it and it worked for me, and I'm decided to share this idea with you guys. So come and click the get started button to register your account, guys. So when you get to this interface where it says sign up with Go Facebook and whatever, so what I will just do right now is to continue with my Gmail account, guys. So you can see that I have already signed up successfully. You can see it here. You have successfully, guys, you have successfully registered, guys. And my location is Nigeria. You can see our system detected that your country is Nigeria. Yes, I'm a proud Nigerian, guys. Yes. So what I need to just do right now is to go to the dashboard. Don't click the deposit. Just go to the dashboard, guys. So this is the discount. If you want to deposit right now, you can get your 75% of any amount you're depositing on this platform. So this is it here. You can see it here. This is my demo account with $15,000, and this is my Meta 5 trading with zero balance. Yeah. So, guys, you said a lot of you like right now we said you just said I'm going to get $111. Why am I seeing $0? Guys, just have patience. Patience is the key, guys. Patience is the key to success, okay? So a lot of you right now will be like, what? Why are you tricking us? Why are you doing this? No, I'm not doing anything, guys. Just calm down, don't panic. Are you sure I have not done a mistake? All right, I think I've done a mistake, guys. Oh my God, why did I do things like this? You can see my wallet balance is zero. I have done a big mistake. What a F. All right, guys, don't panic, guys. I've not done any mistake. So just scroll to the up here. You can see here, get the bonus $111 as a bonus for your trade, guys. You can see that I've not done any mistake. So just go ahead and then click on it. So it's going to bring you down here. Okay, earlier I have told you that you need to download what? MetaTrader 5. That is what we're going to use in this particular method. Don't use MetaTrader 4, guys. Use MetaTrader 5. So I'm just going to do what's get $111. So let's look at it. Wow! I think we just got our bonus right now. Guys, just tell me that. See, drop at the comment section. Say you are too much, boss. See, if you did not drop you are too much, boss, my next video, if you watch it, I will remove you. Just drop you are too much, boss, at the comment section right now. You are too much, boss. I want to be seeing that. All right, guys. This is the bonus $111, and you can see it here. Bonus ends in 6 days, guys. What did I say? 6 days. You can hear earlier I said this bonus will end in 6 days. So as you can see it here, I try my best to make sure that everything I teach you is legit, guys. So right now you can see we need to use what? MetaTrader 5. You can see the download button is here, and that is why I say use MetaTrader 5. This is our server IP. This is our server. This is our password. This is our login. So I'm only showing this because this account is created for a tutorial purpose, right? So I can create as many. So now, how do we even make more better money on this? How do we make more better money on this? So I will leave that to the end of the video where I'm going to tell you how we're going to make more better money with this platform. This is December period, festive period, and I don't want you to shout like I don't have money, I don't have money. I want you to make a good money within 6 days. Like you can do this until this will stop. Okay? So let's move on to how do we connect this? So for connecting this, if you have downloaded it on your mobile phone, you need to do what? To log in, right? You need to log in. So, and if you're using on Android or whatever, you need to do login. So me, I normally use on mobile phone. So, but today I decided to do what? To use on this on desktop, or that is on my laptop, guys, to teach you guys. So let me go ahead and guide you on how to log in. So if you are using on desktop to log in your MetaTrader 5, it's going to be like this, okay? For those of you that have not actually logged in MetaTrader 5 before, so just come and click, I think the file, click on the file here, and you see here, log into trading accounts. So when you click log into trading accounts, you come down here to copy your login, okay? When you copy your login, you paste it here. Then you go back again, copy password. You go back, paste the password. Then on server, this server here, you need to copy the server and paste. So go back. This is the server. So copy this server here. Okay. As I copy the server, then come down here, paste the server. See, that is the server, and then hit OK. So when you hit OK, the account will be logged in. The account. Now, when you log in your account, when your account logged in, so look at the up here, look at the number you're seeing at the up here. This is the number, this is the server. That's what is going to show you that your account has logged in. And then look at that number. You can see here 66991 is my login. And then you can see here 66991. So showing that I have logged in my trading account, right? So if you come, this is my server. Okay, that shows that I've logged in. You can see it here. This is it. So you can see other things. So now I need to go to the market, right? So which market, what did I want to trade? So I can go ahead and then check, decide what I want to trade, and then enter the trade. Yes, can just enter the trade, guys. So guys, this is what I want to show you guys today. So you can actually see that you can be able to make money with this particular free money. No, people say there is no free money out here, but I said there is free money. It's just for you to do your proper research, guys. There is free money somewhere out here waiting for you. So, which I have shown you guys one of the example today, guys. So, for those of you that know how to trade on desktop, you can go ahead and then enter your trade. You can see I can then say I want to trade like this now, buy, sell, enter whatever I want to enter, my settings and all that. So if I want to trade, I enter the value on that, although I don't know how to trade on desktop, guys. I usually use my mobile phone, so I can't come here to lie. So I usually use my mobile phone. But because of you guys, I will do where to learn in properly. Like I will try to learn so I can be able to be giving a videos like this. Because if I cannot do it, there's no way I can teach it, guys. There's no way I can teach it if I can't actually do it. So, but you can see here that you can share, select your pairs and all that, and look at whatever you want to look at. You can see here and look at different pairs. So, but what I don't really know is how to execute my buying and all that. That is what I don't know here right now. But those of you that know how to trade it on desktop, you can do well to leverage this opportunity. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you for my next one. So if you are not subscribed, please do well to subscribe so you can receive an update whenever I drop update like this. Thank you once again. Peace and love. All right, guys, I'm almost, like I've already ended the video, but there is something that happens. Like I think myself, it's okay. Let me also show the web terminal, okay? So if you just click on the trade here, it will take you to the web terminal, which is going to be this, no? This. So let's log in here because I want us to I want to make sure that everybody is sure of what we are doing. So I just drop myself task. Okay, let me do this, guys. So I can see here on that account. I have my reasons because a lot of people are doubting too much, guys. Some people will say because no, the reason is that since I don't understand how to use the desktop virtual and that, so people may not actually want to believe, and some want to use their thing to no, it's not it's not really, it's not this. So that's what I decided to do it this way. At least you can also see here, this is my name, this is the account as well. And if I come, this is the trading account. So you can see this is not a demo account, guys. So as you can see there, so this is the Meta 5 and all that. This is the chart. So this is the chart for those of you that know how to use it. You can switch to any of the charts, guys. So you can come here and say create order. So I want to create order, guys. So because at least this will be more easier for me. And if you come down here, this is the balance. You can see it here. This is the balance. This is the equity and all that. So for those of you that know everything better, you understand. So here I can then, let's say I want to increase to 0.5. I want to increase to 0.5. So you guys know what 0.5 stand for, right? If I am 0.1, this is by $1,000 volume, okay? 0.2, 2,000, 0.5. So now let me show you guys something. Last time I mistakenly went to trade about 15. I traded, I think 0.15, I'll be 0.25. 25. So what's a very high risk? Okay, I entered a very high risk, which I gained and I lost. So I don't recommend that. So try to make use of this and benefit something better. So I'm going to 0.05 in this trading. So, and because I'm going to say stop loss, no, but I want to do my take profit, guys. I want to take profits in this. So I want to check where is the market right now. Is 1.323. So 1.327. I want to take my profits. 1.237. I want to take my profits. Then I can say what I'm seeing right now is I want to sell. Is this? So I've entered this market, right, guys? You can see I've already entered the market. So it's a market close also. Okay, market close. Yeah, it's already late. Okay, like the time is already late. So, but you guys can see now that this is real. This is not Sakama J, guys. As you can see, this is real, guys. So, thank you for watching once again. Right, I'm going. Peace and love.